Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pooja Halankar. I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner from Goa, and I'm making today's video to talk about a very serious topic which has been happening over the years now. And today I yet another patient who was there in my clinic who has done the same mistake. So I thought as an Ayurvedic doctor it's my responsibility to talk to you all about it. I'm talking about self-medication today, and self-medication is nothing but when a person goes to the pharmacy and he gets the medicines without any prescription by the doctor or without any doctor's advice, okay, and he takes them just by maybe googling his symptoms, just by watching some reels, or maybe by the word of mouth from his friends or relatives, okay. So this practice is very harmful and it is not advisable not only in Ayurveda but in any pathy. I don't think it is advisable because it is at some point of time going to show some adverse effect on your body, okay. And I've seen most of the cases are happening in Ayurveda because they feel people take it for granted that it's a natural medicine, it does not have any side effects, which is by the way is a myth. I'll tell you why. um, you need to understand one thing, that when I say it's a myth that Ayurvedic medicines do not have any side effects, because anything and everything in the world which is taken in excess, which is taken in the wrong way by the wrong method, is going to show harmful effects on your body. It is going to harm your system in some or the other way because it is not taken in the proper way, okay. And to support this, let me give you a very simple example. You're preparing fresh food at home with natural ingredients without adding any harmful ingredient in that, and very nutritious fresh food. But this food also is going to harm your digestive system or give bad effects on your body if you are taking it for by the wrong method, or if you're taking it in excess, if you're not taking it in the right way at the right time, right. So uh, if this food, which is nutritious and natural and everything, you have prepared with your own hands, if this is going to give side effects, then why not those medicines? Because you don't even know what are the contents and how they act in your body, right. So it is a request to all of you, please do not do such kind of things. I want to actually tell you some basics so that you understand this thing, and then maybe you will not go and self-medicate yourself and encourage others also not to do so. So Ayurvedic doctors, when they are studying to be doctors, at that time they study about the human body, and there are a lot of principles of Ayurveda which I cannot explain everything to you, but as basically I will tell you that there are some factors in the body, there are doshas, dhatus, which are keeping your body in balance, okay. So when these things go into imbalance, at that time you are having disorders or diseases which show symptoms and you go to the doctor, okay. So your doctor, Ayurvedic doctor, when he takes a long history, at that time he is analyzing two things. One is your prakriti, which is your body constitution, right, which is there right from your birth, okay. That will help him to know what kind of medicines can be given, why some things have gone wrong, in what way they have gone wrong. All these things your prakriti can tell the doctor, okay. Second thing is your vikriti. Vikriti is the disorders or the symptoms which you are seeing. Considering both these things, he is going to decide which of the doshas, dhatus have gone into imbalance, how he is supposed to bring them back, why it is happening, what he should tell you to stop, what he should tell you to start, what he should tell you to do, okay. And he will plan the medicines for you in such a way that it is personalized only to you, that you have to take it in so and so dose for that much amount of time. If you see certain symptoms, please report back to me, I will add something, I'm going to change the dose. You have to come for a follow-up after 1 week or so, just to keep a watch on you. So all these things, what he's telling you and what he's doing with you, whatever he's planning for you, has a perfect logic. Every point has a perfect logic behind it, and this logic cannot be given to you by any of those reels or any of the Google pages you're going through, or neither it will come from your friend or your relative who has told you about a certain medicine. So that is why it is very important that you tell your complaints to the proper expert and then get the prescription from him and follow that strictly, okay. So this is one mistake what people make. And second mistake is, whenever you go to a doctor and the doctor prescribes the medicines, and you get well by having the medicines, you save the prescription, and few months later or sometime later when you have the same symptoms, you go back to the prescription and you buy the medicines and have it again for yourself. Okay, so what happens is, when the doctor is giving you the prescription, there are seasons, monsoon, summer season, all these seasons which are known as rutus in Ayurveda. So these rutus are also considered by the doctor. Why they are considered? Because the external rutu which is going on, the season which is going on, is having an effect on your body, on your doshas, on your digestive system. So the condition of your body which was there at that time when you first visited your doctor is not the same as the condition which is now when you have the symptoms again. So maybe your prescription will differ, maybe the dosage will differ, maybe with what you should take the medicine along with what, that will differ. So all these things are, logically thought by the doctor and designed for you. Okay, so uh, I just wanted to make something clear to you, just because people know a lot about Ayurveda in the sense that they say it is a natural medicine, some say it is working very slow, and they say it has no side effects. So there are some myths to be cleared, and there are some facts which should be put into the minds of people so that such mistakes do not happen. Okay, so the main thing what I want to make clear is that if you are wishing to take any kind of Ayurvedic treatment for any of your disorders, an Ayurvedic doctor or Ayurvedic expert is the best person to advise you what you should take, and you should, like a clear mirror, like freely you should tell him all the symptoms, give him your history, and then take the medicines only from him and not from any Google site or any of the reel or anybody who is just telling you, who is not into the medical field. Okay, so I hope I have made that message clear. I request you, all those people, maybe in your relatives, maybe in your friends who are self-medicating themselves right now, and you must be knowing about it, pass this message to them, tell them how harmful it is. I'm not even telling you to forward this video. You can, if you have understood what I'm saying, please, you can verbally tell them, so that don't make it difficult for your doctors, don't make it difficult for your body, because you have to face those side effects later on, what is happening with you. Okay, so we'll give this message clearly to them, and it's a request to you all to stop self-medicating yourself. It is a very, very wrong practice. So thank you for hearing me patiently, and I hope you all will practice this now. Thank you.